So the cat is wearing the dog's jacket. And I'm going to see how long it takes my husband to realize that the cat is wearing a jacket. It should go on him. But instead our sneaky cat Star is wearing it. Everybody's lined up waiting for Tim to come in. Including the cat in the jacket. Here he comes.
I don't know what the charter thing is for this thing.
Um,
Oh wait, it's right here. I might see it's right here. Okay, let me get their teeth brushed.
Wait a minute.
What?
Do you notice anything?
He looks like a. It looks like a rescue cat. You a rescue cat?
You want to pick him up?
Kitty, 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 kitty.
He's happy as a clam in that thing.
Really? You a rescue kitty?
He looks cute, doesn't he?
Yeah, he looks nice in that. A rescue kitty?
I don't know how happy he is, but... How do you feel about the cat wearing your jacket?
Yeah, she looks nice on him. I think it looks nice on him. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I like that color on you, Star.
That's the one I take it off.
Yeah. Oh, he's purring. He likes that. All right. You're a good cat.